Hi guys, so this was my first solo trip to MP, that is Madhya Pradesh. I was a little bit nervous, but at the same time, I was in touch with my mom on calls. I booked sleeper because this journey took me around 6 hours from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Weather was good. And I got lower berth window seat, so I was happy. I like to travel by train since childhood. And seats was empty. I mean, there was no more passengers. So here it is how the general sleeper trains block. It's like from inside. When the train had stopped, I turned around and came back. And finally, I arrived to MP. Next morning, I got up early to see sunrise. It was so peaceful and beautiful. This is actually seasonal fruit. I I forget its name, but it is sweet in taste. I was eagerly waited for this type of jams. This can be seen only in villages. Otherwise, it is a traffic jam of vehicle only in the cities. And this was cute little river over there. There are so many things to explore in MP, but I was gone there for only 3 days for some work. That's why I didn't see anything else. I went to see forest area and I learned how to drive vehicle. I mean bike. It was quite challenging for me, but then I handled it very well. I went here to watch how farmers do their work in paddy fields. This was beautiful garden over there. I was already late for my train, so I had not gone there. But there was duplicate things of railway station. overall, I enjoyed my journey safely and experienced a lot of things and learned too. Here I was going to eat some fresh mangoes from a tree. Oh my god, it was so sweet and tasty. Near farm there was railway station. Now I was moving to see river. Again, weather was so peaceful and good. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.